Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a cute little earring using the newest Softlex company design kit, Wild Mushroom? And if this kit is still available, I will go ahead and link it down below in the description. So we are using beads from the kit, exclusive items with this check glass, and then beads from the Jesse James bead mix, as well as this little briolette here I added onto a head pin. You'll need an ear wire, jump ring, and I am using the metallic color for Softlex. I just think it pairs so well with the beautiful autumn colors. But it was really cool to see that they included a retired Softlex color in the butterscotch topaz. So it's so pretty. It's kind of like a matte metallic. It goes so well with all things fall. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And also check out down below in the description for a tutorial playlist featuring this design kit. Let's start creating. This is one of my favorite styles of earrings to create with. You can also make this as a pendant if you want to. So a lot of design possibilities. So we're just going to need 4 of our little lava plated beads in gold, 5 of our little check glass, little ovals, and then 1 jump ring that's also a 5 mm. To start, we're just going to make our loop on our head pin. And we are using our tool, the one-step looper, and I will link this down below. It can be found on Amazon. So we're just going to slide it into our tool and give it a squeeze. And we're going to get the perfect loop every time. And that was the 1.5 mm. There are 2 larger sizes. And then I just like to take my pliers and make sure that everything is nice and secure. You don't want your little loop to open and fall off of your earring. So we're just going to set that off to the side for just a moment, and we're going to be doing basic bead stringing. In my other tutorials, you know I like to keep it on the spool. It just acts as a bead stopper. So we're going to add one of these on. So pretty. Little lava beads and a check glass. And we're just going to alternate until we reach the desired length for our project. If you reach the desired length, we're just going to add in a 2x2, and this is going to be our foundation to keep everything nice and secure. So we're just going to cut a good workable length. This is also a wonderful project if you have leftover Softlex wire from another project. You only need about 4 or so inches for this per earring. So we're going to add in our 2x2. We're just going to pick it up like it was a bead. And it doesn't matter which side of wire you add it onto. On the opposite side, we're just going to do a crisscross. And then we're just going to give it a pull. It's going to create like a little circle for us. And with the Softlex wire, with the 2x2s, it will hold 3 of the Softlex wires inside one 2x2. So that's what allows our little project to work. You're just going to pick one side of Softlex wire and just pass it back through your 2x2. This can be a little tricky, or sometimes the beads kind of want to loosen, and that's okay. We can make any adjustments as needed in just a moment. Pass back through. We're just going to make our adjustments, and we want our 2x2s resting against the 2 beads. And if you've made your other earring, we're just going to bring it in and compare. We want our loops fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect. You would just like them similar. And once you have everything the way you would like, we're just going to take our pliers and flatten down our 2x2. Usually I'll rotate it and round it for a more professional finish, but due to the placement of the bead, it's okay to just flatten it. It's kind of a tight fit if you try to rotate and round. So we're just going to take our pliers and trim off our extra Softlex. Final steps of our earring. You're just going to take our jump ring and gently twist side to side. We're going to attach on our little embellishments, full of sparkle. And then we're just going to add our jump ring over our 2x2 that we just flattened and our little connection point. We'll give it a close and we'll hear a slight click when our jump ring is complete. We have beautiful autumn earrings. Now we're just going to attach them to our ear wires that came in the kit. We gently open them, attach it to the top loop of Softlex, and give it a close. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And also check out down below in the description for information on this design kit, as well as the current Softlex Company design kits. Have an awesome day.